Hey, good morning, fam. What's going on? I want to do this video today about the Piggy Bank Machine. Now, if you haven't followed my channel before, or if you haven't seen it before, I've done a couple of videos already. I did a video over here. I started over here. It's supposed to give you up to 10%, 10% per day. Then I did the day one video. Then I did I think this was the day three video. I think it was, if I can see it. Let's have a look. See, yep, day three. So I want to do it every alternate day. I didn't do one yesterday. If you haven't followed my channel, please give the sub a quick click through, and let's jump straight into the video. By the way, I'm very happy to get to 100 subs. My next goal is to get to 250. Let's hope I can get there really fast. Okay, so what is the Piggy Bank Machine? So the Piggy Bank Machine is pretty much like a piggy bank, and as I explained in my first video, it has a huge nostalgia feel for me about your dad giving me a piggy bank at a young age and me putting coins inside it and then going from there. I mean, it kind of has the whole feeling about it, and then you try to break it to get it open. I never broke mine though. I found a way to get it out. Anyway, so you have to do all these challenges over here. You have to get more referrals. So I need 4 more. So obviously I've got 1 referral. Yes, that's always great. So the first challenge is you have to stake 100 USD. Second challenge is you have to 7 days since your last claim. Okay, you've completed this, so that's fine. So okay, so mint piggies by staking your BHDUD as many times as you want. You cannot unstake. So I put the $100 BHD. You can see I put it all over here. The current price of Piggy doesn't matter. The Piggy price is 85 cents, so it's really almost pegging 1-to-1. I think by end of next week, this should be pegging 1-to-1 at the way we're going. There's 2,801 investors into it. Look, it's not a big community, but it is a moving community. You can tell that by the Twitter as well. It's only got 600 followers, but the community is very engaged. I am on the Telegram of the community as well, which I will bring up later. So if you go down here, you can see that it's 800. Where does it say that? It should say amounts. Hang on a second, guys. That's all the supply and all that. We don't worry about that too much. It does say how many people have invested into this as well. Where was that information? God, it's here somewhere. Anyway, let's move on. I'll come back to that later. Oh, there it is. Yep, so it's $863,807 invested into this already. I have 7 piggies ready to go. So normally what I'll do is I'll claim my piggies, I'll put them over here, and then what I'll do is this gives me 4% per day. So every day my 100 gives me 4 piggies. So 4 piggies, if it's pegging 1-to-1, would mean the same, but it's 85 cents at the moment. So every day regardless, I am making money. So I can claim that, I can put it over here, then I can stake it. So once I stake it, at the moment you can see I've got 11 pegged already. I'll have 18 to 19 piggies staked. I'm waiting to get to 20, and then over here I get 6%, which is obviously a lot better, and then the piggies keep earning over here, and I can harvest those, put them over here, and sell my piggies. Now, as you saw before, I have a referral link. I'm going to put that in the end of the video, guys. If you guys want to jump into this and have a go, let me know. I really like this project a lot. It's very simple. It's easy to use. So I get 4% from each level 1 referral, 2% from level 2, and deposits of 1% from level 3 deposits. So I'm at level 1, obviously. I've got 1.4 over here, which is, I mean, I'll take it, you know. No need. So I'm going to put that on for you guys later. Just watch. There'll be a link in the YouTube video. Yeah. So it works really simply. It's really simple mechanics. So what they've done is they've gone into trying to make this a lot more stable, which I really appreciate. Yeah, they've really thought this out. It's not as fast moving as the other ones. It's not like Libero. You know, I'm invested in that as well. I'm invested in a few others as well. They're not going out there to push this really hard on you, and that's what I really like about the project. So what they're doing is they're sacrificing the piggy bank tokens. So you can sacrifice your piggy bank tokens to strengthen out layer 1 and give a possible chance. So you can give your 50 tokens from here to the guys over here to be whitelisted. That's the worst steps you need to follow, and they'll sacrifice those to strengthen it, and then you can buy more to be part of layer 2, which is the piggy bank farm. The system and the ecosystems that the devs are taking are also sacrifice piggy bank machine tokens, and this can always all obviously be publicly tracked. The thing about these piggies is they will never be sold, guys, and and as viewed as they're viewed as like burning addresses, which takes off the, I guess what it does really is it takes off the pressure of the piggy bank machine and makes it more stable in the long run. I think that's really important. Yeah. Now, for me, this, I don't know if you heard about the fork of Fisherman Joe from the garden, and that actually did a 250x in the early users. Yeah, so I am an early user of this. Yeah, so I'm hoping for the 250x for this baby here. So Piggy Bank Machine has literally improved on this. They've thought about they've thought about what the Fisherman Joe did. They've thought about all the concepts and where it went downhill from there and how to fix it and how to put that all together. Now, you can get whitelisted for this, guys. It's really important, yeah. And you can also understand the users can still sacrifice their Piggy Bank Machine tokens to get a possible whitelist. That's the most important thing. If you want to jump on, you want to get on the whitelist for it's called the Piggy Bank Garden, which is the version 2 of this, I guess. You can go in the garden and you'll get, it's just a hell of a lot more stable, yeah, making everything, but doesn't mean you lose your piggy bank, this piggy bank currently, you don't lose that as well. Look, the most things is that the interface also will change, is my understanding. I'm on the Telegram group, guys, and the interface, they're talking about how the interface will change, and the soft cap of that is 50 BNB and the hard cap is 100 BNB, which could give our coming coin a good price appreciation after this will give the price definitely a good appreciation after the coming pre-sale. Yeah, so they'll communicate all of this to us, I imagine, and I think this could really go somewhere. I'm really in love with this project. Yeah, at first I was a bit here and there, but now I'm so in love with it. So the pre-sale is on the 19th of February, so you need to jump on the pre-sale early. Look, once again, guys, this is all not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is my journey to doing what I do. And as you can see, I'm in love with this project. I have been staking in this project, and I'm getting very close to 20 piggies, which I'm very happy about. You get to 100 piggies, then you pretty much made your money back, right? So almost 1/5 of the way there, and I'm on day 5. So that being said, so in 20 days, or 25 days, I should already be there. The pre-sale is happening on 19th of February. I'll also leave a link to the Telegram down below and the Piggy Bank Telegram for the pre-sale as well. And the 20th of February, PancakeSwap will provide you with the only correct link for the launch. You need to sacrifice your piggies first, so you need to actually buy the piggies first to sacrifice. And the pre-sale will conclude in 55 hours. I'll put the proper links down below, guys, so just be careful of scammers. You know how it is in this game. All these scammers jump on anything that's fantastic. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments as well. I'm really looking forward to this. I think Piggy Bank Machine could go a very long way. I think it definitely is something that people should look into. It's just because how easy it is to use. The only thing we can't see is the piggy bank price, but that's on the back end, and that should be coming to the forefront later with some more development, hopefully. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. This is one of my longer videos. I don't like to do very long videos, guys. And if you haven't read the white paper, one of the cool things about the white paper, I'm just going to jump straight into the white paper, is this part here that I really like, yeah? You can read all through the front and all that, yeah? What they do is they've identified the problems in this space. The bottleneck phenomenon where the sell limit is 40,000 reach and cannot be changed. Bots are often the winners. The Edward exploit, they've talked about that as well. So we can adjust the sell limit as a switch size. We can change the periods of a certain time. If the case concerns the bots are up most limits within the first second, we will set the sell limit to 0 shortly after the start of the period and set it back again a few hours. They've identified all these little areas, yeah, and that's what I really like about it. Will it trigger a Piggy Bank Machine into more ecosystems? Will continue to develop various innovative platforms, therefore be able to apply real-life utility to piggies. So the real life, like the Piggy Bank Farm, I imagine is a real, the Piggy Bank, they're doing the Piggy Bank Farm and then also finding a way to make this into a real-life utility as well. Total of 100,000 piggies will be managed for challenges on websites. That's really great that they're willing to give the way. They're willing to continuously keep advertising as well. Like I said, guys, I'm in love with this. I'm in love with this project. If you guys have any questions, once again, let me know. If you don't follow the channel, it's Mr. FOMO on YouTube, please give that sub, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. I'm also on Twitter, guys. You can just follow me by my real name. Nothing to hide over here. Lucius, also known as Mr. FOMO. On Twitter, I'm just trying. This is my Twitter account right here. Why can't I go in here? Why won't it do that? Okay, won't do that. That's great. Let's go to Twitter home. So you can see over here, it's me. My name is Lucius. Very easy to find. If you guys can drop a follow over there, that'd be great. I'm trying to get to 100 Twitter followers as well. Look, guys, I really love this project. One last time. Any questions? Let me know. Have a great day ahead. Cheers. Bye.